Hi everyone, this is Isha, Soft Skills Trainer. Today in this video we are going to talk about vocabulary. Vocabulary is something that we face a lot of problem with because no matter we speak in English or no matter we write in English, vocabulary is the most important thing that we have to be good with. Many students face a lot of problems in learning new words and using them in their language. If I talk about spoken English, there also we are supposed to use good words, otherwise we get confused and we keep on using Hindi words in between the English sentences. If I talk about written English or if I talk about the exams which we appear for while giving our placements, then also vocabulary plays a very important role because questions like synonyms, antonyms, one-word substitutions, etc. everywhere we are supposed to be having very good knowledge about vocabulary. So in this video today, I am going to talk about 5 ways how you can improve your language, improve your vocabulary in an easy method. So let's get started. Talking about the very first thing, we have to be an observer. So the very first rule over here will be an observer. No matter you are going on a road or no matter you're watching a movie or you're sitting and you saw something written, make sure to study, to read all those things whichever come in front of your eyes. So whatever words are written, whatever words you go through, make sure that you know the meanings of it and make sure that you know how to use it in your language. So when you observe things and when you know how to understand things what are written around you, you study or you understand words, new words, and then you are supposed to use them in your language. So the very important thing is be a good observer and keep your eyes open, keep your mind open so that you focus and you observe the new things and the good words which are written around you. Second point over here I would like to tell, watch videos, watch series, watch movies with English subtitles. So nowadays as we are so much tech friendly and we keep on watching series and movies online, make sure that you do them in English and make sure that the subtitles are written over there so that you can grab good sentences, you can grab good words and use them in your own language. So that improves the language of a student very much. So that is quite important. So do that. That is going to improve your language. Third would be try to learn one new word every day. Make sure that you have a habit of learning one new word each day and not forgetting it. The basic problem which students have is that they forget. They learn words but then they forget it. So learn a new word each day. Try to use it in your language and make sure that you don't forget it. Whether you speak, whether you write, try to use that one particular word every day. So it's not important that you study 10 or 20 words each day. Take up a few words, like 1 or 2 according to your convenience, and then study them. Understand its meaning, understand the synonyms, antonyms, and try to use it in your language. Next, I would like to tell you is that convert your sentences into English. Like we have many thoughts. We are sitting, we are doing something, thoughts keep on coming in our mind. So make sure that you convert those thoughts into English. This is what we lack in doing. We don't do that. We keep thinking in Hindi. That's why we are good at Hindi. But then if you try doing this, if you try thinking the sentences in English, converting the sentence in English, you will understand, okay, this is the place I have a problem with. This is the word I did not understand the meaning of. So when we convert our sentences in English, we get to know our loopholes, we get to know where are we lacking, and then please work on those words. And the fifth and the most important point over here is be confident. Do not hesitate in talking and in speaking in English. So when you are confident, try to be confident and speak whatever words you have studied, whatever English you know, be confident in speaking that or writing that. Make it a habit. Make English your habit because English is something that you are investing in. It's not something that you are practicing or it's your habit. It's an investment because this is going to take you to heights of success. In the next video, I have talked about a few words. Along with that, I have talked about their antonyms, synonyms, and its usage. So please make sure to go and watch that video. Thank you so much.